Want to fix the Google Play Store when it keeps restarting or opening and closing on its own? This annoying problem usually happens because of corrupted app data, syncing issues with your Google account, or a faulty Play Store update. Don't worry. Here's a simple way to solve it quickly and easily. Before starting anything, check Internet stability. Swipe down for quick settings, toggle Wi-Fi off/on, or mobile data off/on. If on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store and Google Play services. Corrupted data in these two critical apps are the most common culprits for persistent crashing. Open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap Storage and Cache. Now tap Clear Cache. Then clear storage and confirm. For Google Play services, go back to the apps list in settings, find and tap on Google Play services, tap storage and cache, tap clear cache, then clear storage and confirm. Solution 2. Disable and enable the Play Store app. Press and hold on the Play Store app, tap disable, then again tap disable. Next, open the settings, then go to apps, find the Google Play Store, tap on it, then tap enable from below. And that's all. Trying any of these steps should stop the Google Play Store from restarting or opening on its own. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.